right in the kisser.
Hey, how the devil are you? Right, guess what day it is? It's... And on a Friday, I like to have a little tipple. Hey, if you're a teetotaler, you know, have a cup of tea, cup of coffee, maybe orange squash, glass of pop. You know the score. Anything, you're more than welcome to join me. If it's a Tuesday, then still fill your boots, but be careful if you have work in the morning. Now, it's Christmas next week, so I thought I'd have a bit of a Christmas tipple, a bit of a mulled wine, yeah? Now, if you're watching this in June, it's not going to make much sense, is it? Right. But there we go, a bit of mulled wine. But you've got to prepare it, you've got to warm it up, haven't you? And there you are, ho ho, down the hatch, cheers, chin chin, and all that nonsense. Oh, that hits the spot. That'll warm the cockles. That is delicious. Ho ho! Anyway, so I recently did a video on these Cambridge Audio Aero speakers, and I did a sound test against the Lintons. Now I kind of did them dirty, really. Why, Yoda? Because number one, they sound better with the covers off, whereas the Lintons are made to have the covers on. These do sound a lot better with the covers off, right, number one. Secondly, I had them further apart. So I had these both on the outside and the Lintons on the inside. So the distances weren't correct. I don't think someone mentioned it in the comments. And they said that you should stagger them. And I thought, that's a good show. That's a good idea. So what I've done, I've staggered them. So they got the same distance between each set of speakers, which I think is a fairer comparison. So I've done another sound test. I've used a different track this time. Anyway, I do think they sound better in this test track. I do think they compare better to the Lintons. Do they sound better than the Lintons? Still no, but I think it's much closer. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. So the first the first minute will be blind A/B, and then you'll see which one is which. So have a listen to this.
Make